Hey, Rising Stars. We are in our performance book of our Piano Adventure Primer series, and we are playing Hot Cross Buns. Now, I don't know where you are when you are learning how to play this song, but today it was extremely cold here, and so it sounds really good to have some hot cross buns to eat on a freezing cold day. So let's take a look at this with our song. I want you to color your C, D, and E. Remember, C is red, D is orange, and E is yellow. So color your little keyboards. You've got one up there on the left and one up there on the right. And if you look at the first page, page 6, it's just for the left hand, and page 7 is for the right hand. We're going to play the left hand and then play the right hand. So we'll go ahead and we'll do our solfege, our colors, our letter names, and finger numbers by doing the whole song. Okay, let's start with our solfege first. So we've got mi, re, and do. Let's get started here for our solfege training. This is our first note, mi. Do you have it? Here we go. Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, re, do. Now, let's say our letter names as we play them. Start with the left hand first. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. E, D, C. E, D, C. C, 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 D, 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 E, D, C. Right hand. E, D, C. E, D, C. C, 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 D, 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 E, D, C. Now it is time for our colors. We have the red, we have the orange, and we have the yellow. Okay, here we go. Left hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, orange, red. Yellow, orange, red. Red, 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 red. Orange, 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 orange. Yellow, orange, red. Right hand. Yellow, orange, red. Yellow, orange, red. Red, 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 orange, 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 yellow, orange, red. Now let's say our finger numbers as we play. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now the right hand. Ready, go. 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2. Now are you playing with your rounded hand shape? So you've got firm fingertips playing your notes? Okay, so now we have our beats. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Melon, melon, watermelon. Melon, melon, watermelon. Beat, 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 beat. Melon, melon, watermelon. Melon, melon, watermelon. Melon, melon, watermelon. beet, 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 melon, melon, watermelon. Okay, now the very last thing that we have to do is to play the duet. So I am going to play down here, and you are going to play up here. Okay, are you in position? Let's play. 1, 2, ready, go.